called VSDC Free Video Editor. It's available for only 70 megabytes. It doesn't require high specs as you see right now on your display. When opening the software, you're gonna find too many options. Click at the first one to open a new project. You can select the resolution from here. And you can select the frame rate. After you have finished, click here and it's gonna open your workspace. You can import your files from here. You can adjust your timeline from here. From editor panel right here you can add objects like text, shapes, images, etc. From video effects you have some presets, adjustments for color correction, some filters and transforms right here. Here you have cutting or splitting tool. And from this panel you can export your video and it supports up to 4K. This software has a pro version which has some more advanced tools. This one is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. And it's about 100 megabytes. When you open it, you're gonna find this new project box. Select the best from here. You can select one of these qualities. You can add custom quality from here. After that, give it name and click start. Now your project is opened. First thing to do after opening your project, add playlists and timeline. Open files from here, then drag it to your playlist. Then drag your media files to your timeline. You can split by moving your pointer. Then right click and select splitting tool. You can remove any part like this. And you can add fit transition by doing this. By clicking on filters, you can add a lot of wonderful effects to your selected video. By clicking on filters, you can add a lot of effects to your video. When you have just finished, click on export right here. Select resolution FPS and file type. When opening, you can create a new project from here. Select frame rate, enter name, then go. Here is your media files importer. Click on local files, places, select your media files, then double click on them. After this, go to edit panel, drag your video to your timeline. You can zoom in and out your timeline from here. You can split from here. And you can change video speed from here. and some other stuff you can figure out by yourself. Second button is for color correction, and you have to see a tutorial about this. After you have just finished, just export your video like this. Video editor in our list, and you have to see a tutorial about this, full tutorial. It's available for about 1.3 GB. It was used in many cinematic works. It gives you cool effects and transitions, many cool features I can cover only in one video, and it's available for Windows, Mac,